Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'll introduce to you guys the new addition to my kitchen, which is the 6-liter multi-purpose electronic pressure cooker by Gourmet. It comes in two boxes. One is the main box and then another is the accessories box. First, let me show you what's inside the accessory box. It comes with a 304 stainless steel inner pot and a tempered glass lid. And then also it comes with a ceramic pot with lid. Then it also comes with a stainless steel steamer rack and a stainless steel steaming bowl, as well as a stainless steel tongue. All this is worth $483.60, and during my purchase it comes as a free gift. Alright, moving on to the main box. It comes with the housing and lid with a 6-liter non-stick inner pot, then a power supply cord which is suitable for the Malaysian plug. Then it also comes with a stainless steel steamer which you can put inside the inner pot, then a measuring cup and a rice spoon for you to cook rice. And also it comes with a user manual, but the user manual is only in English and Chinese. There's no Malay version of it. And then a warranty card that is a 2-year warranty, and you can claim it on any Gourmet counter if there's anything wrong with the pressure cooker. So for the main panel here, there's 14 modes on it, and it comes with the English version. And then very user friendly, it also comes with 2 stickers. One is in the Chinese, one is in Malay. And if you prefer to have a Chinese version, you can stick the sticker on top of the panel. If you prefer to have it in the Malay version, then you stick on the Malay version, or you can just maintain the English and then keep the 2 stickers as reference. On the lid, there's a lock and unlock signage. And as for the inner pot that comes with the main box is the non-stick aluminum inner pot. Then if you prefer stainless steel, you can use the stainless steel inner pot that comes from the accessory box. For the steamer rack that comes with the main box, you can fit it nicely inside the non-stick inner pot because there's a ring edge in the pot, so you can stick the steamer rack nicely in between there, but there's no ring edge on the stainless steel inner pot. The stainless steel inner pot comes with a transparent lid, so you can do open cooking with that, or you can use the the main housing lid for pressure cook it. And then also if you want to double boil it, do double boiling or steaming, you can put, if you're using the stainless steel inner bowl, you can put this small steamer rack in it and then put the ceramic pot. Then you can close with the transparent lid to do double boiling. Or if you want, you can actually cook multi-layer food at one time. At the bottom you can cook, steam, and then on top you can add on another steamer rack. There's a safety valve on the lid, which is the pink color valve. If it's push on top, means there's a pressure inside the pot, so you need to manually or wait for the pressure to be released before you open up the lid. And I'll show you, there's a manual release of the pressure by pressing the middle button of the handle, and it will release the pressure in the pot. So let's look at the panel. Let's turn it on, and in this panel there are many modes that you can click or you can press to do the cooking that you want. So assuming that I want to cook clay pot rice, I will have to push on the button, and for clay pot rice it will take 14 minutes for the whole cooking process. Then you see the turning round before the 40 minutes means it's preheating. This pressure cooker comes with a child lock function, not just to prevent the children from touching the panel, but for adults, because sometimes we may accidentally click on other things while we're cooking. So once you set on the cooking mode, press a few seconds on the child lock. So in case you accidentally touch any buttons, it will not work. To release it, just press again a few seconds on the child lock button. It's that simple. There is one function that I find it very useful for working mom is the preset timer. You can start cooking after setting the time. So assuming I want to cook soup, but I don't want to cook it now, I want to cook it like 3 hours later. So I'll set the preset timer to 3 hours. It will count down 3 hours later, only it will start cooking the soup. The lid is actually an auto cover sensor. If it's unlocked, it will never start. It will give a warning, and also it won't start pressurize it. And once if it's pressurized, the lid is locked. You can't open it unless you release the pressure before you can open the lid. Also, there's the overheating protection where auto cut off the electricity when the pot is overheated, and also excess pressure protection where the steam will automatic exhaust when the pot is over pressure. So that's all that I'm able to show you today on my new edition pressure cooker in my kitchen, and of course in the future I will definitely share more recipe on dishes that I cook using this pressure cooker. So thank you for watching. Bye.